I don't even know why I don't feel awkward right now, but like I well, do you guys know what scoliosis is? That's when your back is crooked. Well, anyway, I had that.
Scoliosis.
Yeah, scoliosis. I had that since I was born, and like I never felt comfortable and stuff like that, and like I did all kinds of stuff like to make myself feel comfortable. It didn't look bad or anything. I mean, like nobody noticed that my back was crooked, but like. And I kept saying that. I mean, I knew I was gonna heal that encounter. I mean, like I knew it. I just knew it. But I was just like every single time somebody prayed for me, I was just like, yeah, I'm not healed, you know, because I could still like feel uncomfortable, you know. And like the first prayer, Allah prayed for me, and she put like oil on my back, and she was praying for me, and like my bones felt like like smas in the bit, and I was just like, whoa, keep praying for me and stuff like that. But I didn't say that because like the prayer was over, and then everybody went for lunch, and you know lunch is always good, and yeah, so later on, the last day when everybody came up to the cross and we were praying for healing, I was just like, you know what, that's it, you know. I'm going to stop saying that I'm not healed, you know, because God told me I'm healed, and I'm just going to go tell everybody that I'm healed, you know, and that whoever has a crooked back, whoever has problems with their bones, you know, and whoever doesn't believe that their bones can get into the right place, man, God can heal. He can heal, man. Okay.